My name is Gabriela Garzon, and I work with GG Image and Etiquette Consulting in Miami, Florida. This topic is about strategies about remembering names. This is very important in etiquette and, of course, about keeping good manners. When we meet someone, we just have to remember repetition. Basically, as soon as somebody tells us their name, all we have to do is repeat their names during the conversation, and as soon as the conversation is over, we say the name again. People love to hear their names. Associate the name with anything that comes to mind, either a character or just something that is funny. You make an association, and then when you see that person again, the name will pop up in your head. Another thing that is really good for us is that you just go ahead and ask or request a business card. If they give you a business card and you actually read the print on the business card, it's easier to remember the card and the face of the person. So, of course, again, it's easier to just remember the name. Another thing that is very used for this is that every time we close the conversation, you just go ahead, shake the hands, say your name again in case you forgot the other person's name, and they will react the same way. They will give you their hand and say their name. They will just go ahead, nice meeting you, my name is blah, blah. So, again, thank you for listening. This is Gabriela Garzon at GG Image and Etiquette Consulting.